If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hello. Hi.
I got mustard on my lip again, baby. You gotta kiss it off again. Oh, for real? This is the 5th time, honey bun.
Why do we do this every time?
So not used to doing videos together, I think.
Yeah, I think that's why.
But
yeah.
Either way.
Disgusting!
He just came out with Layin Low featuring Jooyoung, which I do like Jooyoung.
I really liked their duo or their song Erase. I don't know if you guys remember that. That's a throwback.
It's a
but
throwback.
That was like their breakup song.
We Layin Low.
We Layin Low. This might be a baddie song.
Hyolyn, Layin Low featuring Jooyoung. Yes, this is my girlfriend Hyejin. Go check out her Twitch, TikTok, Instagram, link in the description. Let's get it. Let's go.
Play my intro.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Hyolyn, Layin Low featuring Jooyoung, official MV. Let's go. Ah! Oh, wrong one.
Oh my god.
Wrong one.
Why would you do this? Okay, now it's playing.
Baddie Teens.
Ooh. Is that like a ball cut on her? Okay.
Ooh. Legs though!
Okay.
She said legs.
She said legs, then thighs. So you can smash your skull, bro. Okay.
Wait.
What?
Smash your skull?
Yes. Sorry.
Real talk though. She would.
Yeah, she could like some Mortal Kombat shit. As a baddie should. Okay.
Her milkshakes bring boys to the yards, real talk. I like that.
They just fucking slide it in, bro. They want it. Oh! Sorry. Girl!
God.
2 at once? Oh, damn! Okay, booty. Oh my gosh. If y'all don't know Sistar and Hyolyn, like, if y'all ain't from this era,
Wound me more, that's
don't
right.
even know.
Pain me more, hurting me inside.
Oh.
Whoa. Okay, Hyolyn.
Booty! Sorry. Yes. Okay, with the stilettos too. And the knee pads. As a queen should. Ooh!
Ass on the table as it. Bro, that man grabbing his. That man grabbing his jaw. He know he ain't ready.
Okay, I'm glad you didn't hear that. What I just said.
Can I be the table?
No, I didn't say that.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yo, Hyolyn, you trying to steal my girl? What's good?
Yo.
I mean, it is what it is.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Ooh, the choreo too?
Yeah.
Give me chills. Okay.
Damn, bitch.
Oh,
Ooh.
Jooyoung. Wait. We gotta.
Ooh. Oh, he's not in the video.
Oh, that's sad too.
Yeah. I would definitely want to see them together again.
Whoa! Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, okay. Ooh, bitch.
Period.
Damn. Damn. Girl, for free?
For free?
For free? Oh, no.
No, not actually. She gave me.
She gave me.
Oh!
Yo. Neck.
I wanna.
Her neck okay? Is she good? Oh, damn. Ooh, with the squad. Ooh, that's the girlies.
Let's go, girlies.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, mommy. I mean, mommy. Ooh.
Okay, mommy. Mommy.
Damn, I'm just respectfully, Hyolyn. Damn, still looking good. Respectfully.
Woo.
Oh, okay.
Oh, interesting.
Let's go.
talk, Jooyoung's part, he killed that
He
part.
killed it, yeah.
Like the way he was attacking it.
I liked how he wrote the
Yeah,
lyrics.
yeah. And the way he
It
just
was
like
pretty
sang it
clever,
too.
Yeah.
He came in earlier than I thought, actually.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Usually he comes
I like that.
Yeah, I thought it was like that part for the lyrics.
Yeah, let's put the lyrics in. This part. First of all,
well, I
back
know what
throw.
that.
I already know that.
Yeah. We're moving on. Anyways, yeah, I like how he attacked it. Indigo. In the glass, mellow. Yeah, that shit fire. Cause I don't think I've heard a rhyme like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Indigo.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Ooh. And she's on her head, and then she just fucking bitch.
You seem to. Sorry for the pause. You seem to be barely blinking when you're mine. Oh.
Why you paused her just like in that position, Damn, bitch. Good on her. She got that muscles, bruh. Ooh. I like that shirt.
Outfit. Yeah, I like the outfit right here.
The outfit there, they really accentuate.
And like the dancers.
The dancing.
Yeah, complimenting.
Yeah.
Well, they killed it too.
Compliments their outfits, yeah.
The dancers killed it too.
Yeah.
Ooh, she killing it.
It's stiletto.
Yes.
Y'all better
Nicole
respect
Parker.
it. Yeah.
I mean,
True. Because Sistar was like its own thing.
Yeah.
And like we don't have that in K-pop anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, we kind of lost.
Yeah, the summer vibes too.
The summer vibes. The
It's sad.
dancing in
It's
stiletto.
Sister 19 too.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
If y'all know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yeah. Damn.
All right,
That's
y'all.
crazy to me.
First of all, dope music video or performance video. It's a music video, but I like the seeing the dance and choreo.
Yeah, me too.
More
With the guys and the girls.
Yeah, basically.
Was
Oh,
cool.
the guys one was actually
okay.
really
The
good
guy
too.
one just shook me.
Like, I
from
think-
the fucking start, bruh.
From the
When
beginning, when they slid in.
They were sliding in, bro. She's like, "These are my bitches. Come here.
Ooh.
Come here." Yes.
This guy was getting it though.
No, the other guy was getting it.
Oh, yeah,
what
true,
you
true,
talking
true.
about, bruh?
True.
Literally. You know.
One favorite part I like from
I like the table one.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I got you, baby.
Yeah. Wait, when does it come?
She said.
Can it be the table? Can I be that really?
Where's the table? Did we pass it?
No. I think it's later on. Anyways, what part were you talking about?
I like the standing one. I actually like.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Not this part, but like when laying low part. This part, I think. Like after this.
Respectfully Queen, I tap that.
This part, I like this part right here. Like them looking like this. They're doing a good job too. Jooyoung's part, I wish he was there. Imagine him just sitting there while she's dancing.
Oh, true. Jooyoung and her like dance together anyways.
Yeah.
Too. That would have been cool. But I know that this is like a. Oh damn. Nah. Damn.
Anyways, what do you guys think?
Okay. Yeah.
Put in the comments
please-
down below what you guys thought of the
Yeah.
music video and the song. And yeah.
Yeah, go follow Dre's Twitch. He doesn't.
Oh, thank you.
Like
Yeah.
this is definitely getting demonetized.
Yeah.
But if y'all want to support Dre in
Copyrighted.
other ways, go ahead and check out his Twitch.
Check my
He's been
Twitch.
grinding on there. He does a lot of reactions on there as well.
I do.
If you haven't checked him out, you guys should if you
Thank
can,
you.
if your time is available.
Also,
Yes.
follow the Discord, link in the description.
Yes.
Go check out her stuff too. She has a lot of stuff. She does Twitch, TikTok, and IG. Basically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have YouTube, but you don't
It'll
use
be in
it.
the description.
It'll be in the
too.
description.
Yeah.
But anyways, thank you for joining me. First of all.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, thank you for inviting me, cause like this was a lot of yeah.
Might do a green
Yeah.
screen of this.
Can you edit my? Wait, no.
Thank you
We'll
guys.
see you guys later. Bye.
Yay.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.